Welcome. Hopefully, you have started learning about operations management and you have come to learn about how organizations enhance the performance of their operations. In this video, we will identify and discuss the performance objectives in operations management and how this impacts the operations of an organization. Welcome again to this video. In order to ensure that the operations of an organization run smoothly, clearly defined objectives must be set for the day-to-day running of the operations. This will enable the organization to satisfy their customers and enhance their competitiveness within the market. These objectives are what we refer to as operations management objectives, and there are 5 of them. Let's go through them one after the other. The first performance objective is cost. Cost refers to the prices of goods and services and the operations cost of production. When the cost of the operations used in producing or rendering goods and services is high, this will affect the prices of the product produced and the profit gained by the organization. This is also the case when the cost of the operations is low. If selling cheap or affordable products is an organization's priority, cost will be set as the operations performance objective for the organization's transformation processes. The second performance objective that an organization could set is speed. Speed refers to the turnaround time from a customer placing an order to the point of delivery. Put another way, operations speed refer to faster delivery of goods and services. This is very important in any operation as this requires speedy movement of materials, information, and decision-making, which enhances the speed at which customer orders are delivered. Quality is another performance objective. Quality refers to the ability of the operations to conform to customers' expectations. The process of production and delivery of products and services to consumers must also be consistent. In other words, the operations of an organization must do things right. Where doing things right may imply that customer satisfaction is achieved, it also makes it easier for the operations as well. This is because expectations are clearly defined from the customer's perspective. Flexibility is another performance objective. It refers to the agility of the operations or the ability of the operations to change as per the requirements of the customers. For organizations' operations to be flexible, it needs to ensure that it is able to offer flexible goods or services which may affect the variety or volume produced. The operations must also be flexible in terms of how it delivers its goods and services to the consumer. Customer requirements should always be at the center of operations flexibility. The last but not the least is dependability. Dependability refers to the reliability of an organization's operations to its customers. Customers need to be certain that they will receive their goods and services at the time needed. In other words, dependability of operations should ensure a timely delivery of product and services to customers in accordance with planned prices and costs. These are the operations performance objectives that are important to the smooth running of operations within organizations and that help organizations to satisfy their customers. Now, let's consider an example. Joseph Travels Bus Company, a company that specializes in the movement of people from one place to another via different routes. How will setting performance objectives affect the operations of Joseph Travels Bus Company? We will now consider each performance objective, one after the other, and see how they affect the way the company delivers its services to its customers. Cost. To be able to sell affordable bus fares to customers, the bus company must look for ways to reducing the cost of operations such as employee cost, stationary costs, and other overheads. This will allow the organization to sell its bus fares at an affordable price to customers. This will also make Joseph Travels services attractive to customers. Speed. The time it takes the customer to get to their destination must be kept to a minimum. This might require that the company ensures that its buses use routes with less traffic to prevent unnecessary delays. This is to ensure the optimal delivery speed of the transportation services to Joseph Travels customers. Quality. To provide customers with a quality service, Joseph Travels must ensure that its buses are tidy, the bus ride is quiet and fumes-free. This will definitely give customers satisfaction. The staff running the bus services, including the drivers, must also be polite. These all contributes to a quality service. Flexibility. Joseph Travels Bus Company can be flexible by introducing new routes or increasing the number of bus stops to please more customers. The frequency of the bus services could also be adjusted to meet customers' needs. The bus timetables could also be adjusted to accommodate peak and off-peak periods. These flexible approaches to delivering their services can satisfy the needs of different customers. Dependability. Every transportation company runs on a timetable. For Joseph Travels Bus Company to be dependable, they must keep to the published timetable. When customers arrive at the stipulated time, they want to be assured of the bus arrival, consistency in the prices of bus fares, and availability of seats. This is what dependability means for the bus company. Now, your turn. Think of an organization that produces a product or renders a service. Then, use the operations performance objectives you have learned to evaluate the operations of the organization. What do you think is the primary performance objective of the organization you chose? Pause the video here. What have we learned so far? To summarize, we have identified and discussed the 5 performance objectives of operations within organizations. We have also discussed how these influences how goods and services are delivered to customers. The performance objectives are: cost. This means running low-cost operations so as to sell affordable products. Speed. Ensuring that operations facilitates a fast delivery of goods and services to customers. Quality. Doing things right. This must match the expectations of customers. Flexibility. Running an agile operation that is able to respond and change to match the needs and requirements of consumers. And dependability. This refers to running a reliable operations that assures customers of consistency in the services or of the goods delivered to them. These are the 5 operations performance objectives. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.